So we are doing leg day today as we are closing the week. यहाँ पे first exercise, it's gonna be some calf raises. Our coach Shady Boy has given this trick जहाँ पे ओ भैंचोद यहाँ पे सीट के एडजस्टमेंट ही नहीं है सही से, so probably I'm doing that. समझ नहीं आ रहा ये वॉइस ओवर्स पहले करने चाहिए जी वर्कआउट के बाद या बाद में एज अ रिव्यू बी फन. ओके, सो दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ गुड. बॉटम पोजीशन पे लाइक गेट अ मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेच and do a half rep kind of a thing. It really burns a lot. I'm recording this the next day, so it feels kind of. So we are closing the calf raises here. 2 sets, same pattern. 2 hard sets. Lot of fun. I think next probably we'll move to some RDLs. So with RDLs बहुत दिन से मैंने करा नहीं है. Issues with my lower backs, or I'm just pushing out of it because it's tough, or either because I used to lift a lot of weight, now I can't, so I'm just pushing out. Either of these two things, but coach Shady Boy has suggested I do this, so this was just some warm-up set. This is also supposed to be a warm-up set, but this is kind of where we at, where this has to be my working set. Soon it will be a warm-up set, hopefully. Straps, to isolate some shit. I don't know specifically why we use straps, but feels good. Forearms पे आता नहीं है ज़्यादा. I think this is what 30. This is like 80 kgs. It should be light as fuck, but it isn't for me. This is like the first working set. I think यहाँ chin down रखनी चाहिए. Form is I guess okay. Lot of improvement. But yeah, I guess the slowly I'll put in more volume in here. let's see where we are in few weeks with RDLs. But this is kind of like newbie RDLs, man. Ashamed of myself. Then I was very ashamed, I think. So I increased the weight up to, I think, 100 kgs, which is still shameful. But it's an improvement. This was a good set for me. I felt a lot of things. I mean, good things while doing it. And I think I pushed very hard too. ये स्ट्रैप क्यों नहीं लग रहा है भैंचो? कुछ तो दिक्कत है यार. That strap doesn't slide on this particular bar, so that you can't like get a firmer grip. It's very rough. I have to figure something out for this. Or either skill issue. मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. But whatever. I think I'll start once I have figured out कि क्या हो रहा है बकचोदी. Okay, let's go. Lift off. And I think we are done. मज़ा तो आया भाई इसमें. 100 kgs is not really much. I used to do much more back in the days, but I have to. What the fuck is this? I have to edit it out, but I won't edit it out. Fuck it. Okay. Now this is something new. Actually, I don't even know what's this exercise called, but I'll probably add this after editing. इसका नाम क्या exactly? मेरे को बोला गया good girl exercise है ये, because I'm closing my legs. Kind of makes sense. So last week when I was doing this, I was leaning forward, but इस बार the right way to do it is to lean backwards. And I must tell you, this exercise is a motherfucker. It's like hell the next day. Yeah, I guess that's about it with this. I've done 2 sets like this, heavy, push till the end. Yeah. Okay, so we are closing this exercise, and next was supposed to be leg extension as per the program, but मेरे दिमाग में पता नहीं क्यों मैं देख लो ये एक्सरसाइज करने आ गया. मुझे करना था leg extension. I completely blanked out and I started this. This is, but anyway, it's still quads and we are pushing to the limit, so should be good. This is warm-up set, just to get to know the machine well since I'm new here. ये मशीन बहुत डीप जाने नहीं देता है, आई थिंक वो बीच में अटक जाता है, एंड द सीट इज ऑल्सो डजेंट गो beyond this point, but still it's I think good. uh, yep, this is now the first working set. The weight here is 140, I guess, which isn't much, but let's see. Okay, so for the next set, I felt that I can do more, and that's with this thing leg press. You can add bunch of weights, and you can still at least do 5 to 6 reps. I feel I need to work on that mental barrier that I have. I think this was 170. I still feel I could have done 200 for 6 maybe, but 170 was good. I'm not sure how many reps did I end up doing. But it was good. Okay, so we are done. इसके बाद I did some time pass, some ab wheel rollout, ab crunches, and some forearm exercises. And here the actual Friday night started, man. Let's go. It was pretty sick watching Dino over there. It was amazing. I've heard him a lot in my BTech years. It was his birthday. Happy birthday, Dino. It was great.